Hey guys, Jim here. I'm in my garage. I've had a couple drinks. I just walked in my basement and I noticed something. I'm going to show you guys. Hold on a sec. So here I am in the dungeon. All right, lights are a little off. But if you look, there is a bunch of water all over the floor. And I looked, and I noticed my water heater, if you look, it's dripping quite a bit. I think it might be bad. We'll see. So I bought this house in 2007, and this water heater was here when I bought it. So I'm not exactly sure how old it is. Let's take a look. So here is the panel, and we can look at all the instructions and everything else. And if we look really close, it says it's from 1980. I'm not a genius, but I think it's 40 years old. I think it's used all of its life. I think it might need to be replaced. Let me know what you think.